Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Magic Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm so glad you're joining me this morning because we are trapping the sky to make our own clouds in a jar. Super easy and fun. So I'm glad you're here to see how that works. But first, we're going to play Spot the Quapples. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find them. There are 5 Quapples hidden in the photo, the Quapple Force, the education logo, right there in the bottom left corner of your screen, the apple with the Quest Q in it. Morning, Debbie. I can see you're watching. Let me know if you're watching this morning. I will start the clock. 5 Quapples to find in this photo. Let me know if you find them all. Let me know if you're watching. About 20 seconds left. More umbrellas. If you were here last Wednesday, you saw a very similar umbrella picture with the Quapples hidden in it. About 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. It always wants to jump to 0 from 2. There it goes. All right, so here is the answer. All 5. Were you able to spot them all? There they are. If you found them, great job. If you didn't, no worries. We'll play again on Wednesday. Just be here right at 9:30 so that you can get in on the fun. So to make your own cloud in a jar today, you are going to need warm water. You don't want it to be boiling because if it's too hot, then it'll be too steamy in your jar. Then you'll need a jar with a lid, ice cubes, and aerosol hairspray. So when you have those things, you are going to be able to make your jar. So how do you set this up? First, you are going to pour the warm water into the jar and swirl it around to warm the inside of the whole jar. Once you're done with that, you'll turn the lid upside down and place several ice cubes on top of it and place the lid onto the jar. Then you'll quickly remove that and spray some aerosol hairspray and replace the lid on top so that it's all kind of trapped in there. Then once you remove the lid, you'll watch that cloud escape. Pretty cool, right? So let's explain what exactly is going to be happening. Well, 3 things are needed to make a cloud. First, you need warm, moist air, a cooling process, and then a cloud condensation nucleus, or something to start the cloud. An example of this could be a dust particle. By warming the warm water into the jar and trapping it, you create the moist air. That warm air rises and meets the cool air at the top of the jar, which is made by the ice cubes. The aerosol hairspray provides the cold condensation nucleus. As the water vapor inside the jar cools down, it begins to form around the hairspray into mini droplets. So when you remove the lid, that swirling cloud is finally released. So let's go ahead and watch my cloud here. I'm going to remove the lid. And there it is, our cloud. And that's how clouds are made in the atmosphere. Pretty cool. It's fun that we can make our own right at home. Super simple. We'll put the instructions in the comments so you can try this lesson. Send us your pictures and videos when you're able to make them. Can't wait to see. I hope you join us on Wednesday because we have another fun project to share with you. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.